Hello everyone, I'm Hoàng Nam Marketing. Today I will show you how to batch edit videos, turning one video into many different videos using the Marketeer Viral software. Here, as you can see, after we've downloaded and edited the training videos, the most important thing now is how to edit these videos so that they are different from the original version. When we upload them, they won't be duplicated or flagged for copyright infringement. So here we have a lot of effects, thousands of them in fact. For example, it basically has all the effects you might need. If you want a particular effect, you just need to type the keyword here and search, and you'll find the effects you want right here. For example, you can add a logo, add animated text, insert images, add random elements, fade in videos, and so on, or add semi-transparent text. There you go. There are all kinds of options. So, for example, if we want to select a video, just pick the videos we uploaded here, click on them, and then we can proceed to choose the effect we want. For instance, whatever effect you want to add. For example, here I'll try adding a logo, let's say, to overlay the brand, like placing it diagonally to the right to showcase the brand, so everyone can recognize the logo of our page. In addition, you can apply many other effects such as editing the voice, adjusting images and audio, adding logos, inserting images, adding scrolling text, or embedding another video clip. There are so many different effects you can use. For example, here I can do anything I want. Let's try selecting a color effect, add any logo here, and then save it. Now, I just need to press start, and this tool will automatically edit everything for me in bulk. I'll create a save file, for example, entertainment, and for editing, I'll name it edit there. Now let's start right now. As you can see, it will automatically do everything for me. Here are the status lines, for example, processing, currently processing, and so on. See, all of this is completely automatic, and it only takes about 10 or 20 seconds for it to finish. Here, you can watch directly right here. You can directly view the videos, the information that I've exported, and the edited entertainment videos. As you can see, all the videos already have the logo that I attached here. Then I delete it. If you see, besides that, you can add thousands of other effects here as well, just the way you want. You can add scrolling text, insert scrolling text to leave information, or insert images, add videos, merge videos randomly, and also change audio information, adjust filter effects of this so we can bypass copyright detection so that platforms won't flag our content. From there, we can post to thousands of real fan pages, thousands of TikTok channels, and thousands of YouTube channels. In addition, after posting, we can use features like video seeding or scheduling. For example, you can schedule posts so that fan pages automatically publish content for you. You can schedule posts to go live at optimal times, like prime hours or golden hours, those periods when customers are most active on their phones. That way, your video is much more likely to be recommended. In addition, there are features like video seeding. For example, we can leverage the algorithms of these platforms so that our accounts go in to watch the video, comment, and interact, which helps push the video into recommendations and makes it visible to more people. So this is an overview of the software that specializes in supporting short video platforms on our site. If you would like a guided trial of this software, want to learn more about its features, or would like a demo, please contact me via my Zalo number listed below. I will assist you. Thank you very much.